Assalamualaikum. This is Dr. Asif. We are visiting the Taif city today, and we are above the ground. From the sea level it is almost 3,000 meters, and Taif is a very scenic city. It is very green compared to the other parts of Saudi Arabia. As you can see, there are lots of trees and a lot of greeneries, and this is a kind of a mountain station, and there are lots of beautiful gardens. Especially the rose gardens are very famous of Taif. And the place that we are here now, this is the cable car station, from where the tourists they can avail the cable car above the heights of Taif, connecting different mountains. And these cable cars are designed to take the tourists almost to the give a God's eye view of the place of the Taif. So as we see here, there is a very nice blue sky today, and the weather is almost 9 to 10 degrees Celsius. It is pretty cold here, and this is in the afternoon, so you can imagine what could be the temperature could go up, down to at night and as well as in the morning, early morning. So as we walk towards the edge of this cable car station, we can see that there are clouds well above the mountains, and these clouds are basically covering the city of Taif in its entirety. Taif is very fertile, and it's very well known for agricultural products, especially the grapes, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries are very famous of Taif. And there are lots of other vegetables and other kinds of crops are grown around the year here in Taif. As we walk towards the front here, you can see that there is a line of cable cars, and these cable cars are basically need to be rented, and one-way trip it takes 69 riyal. So if someone goes all the way down and then comes back, the cost of the entire trip will be 130 riyal. And the trip along the way it takes around 45 minutes going and coming back. You can see that one cable car is returning from its trip, and the other one is leaving as well. So in one cable car there are space for 6 people can sit here. And right next to the cable car station there is a 5-star hotel here. If someone want to rent and spend the time for a few days, there are entire facility available. Swimming pool, the entertainment facilities are there as well. As we look above the mountains, you can see that lots of roads are running back and forth within the mountains. These roads are being built in around 2016 by the Bin Laden company, and before that there were roads, but they were one lane. It was too dangerous at that time, but in the recent developments this has been also been renovated, and it has been 4-lane roads, and cars can ply back and forth very comfortably and safely along this road. you can see that this city is very well traveled by the pilgrims when they come for Umrah and Hajj. And this Taif is very well known for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's visit for invitation of the tribes of Taif towards Islam. And there is a very painful story of what has happened to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where he was injured very badly by the people of Taif, and they denied to accept Islam. And with that pain and sufferings, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam went back. And then later on, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam made prayers for these people for their forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and give them the blessings of Islam. And later on, their progenes were being blessed with the Iman, and they accepted Islam. So this city is very historic, very memorable city, and very at the core of the heart of Islam, when the Islam was being preached and being spread in the Arabian Peninsula. As a part of that process, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam also made a trip here and went through that painful experience. But that pain and sufferings of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam opened the ways and opportunities for the later generations of Taif to accept Islam. So this is in brief, this is the story of Taif, and this is a place that I would recommend anyone traveling for Umrah or